Let's start with this visual. Picture this. You've got two ways to prepare a meal, the microwave or the slow cooker. The microwave is fast. Punch it in 30 seconds, done. But what do you get? Usually processed, often unsatisfying, and definitely not a recipe passed down from generation to generation. Now, think about the slow cooker. It takes time, hours of simmering, flavor building, and anticipation, but the result? Rich, nourishing, unforgettable. Parenting is a slow cooker job in a microwave world. The more we feed our kids a steady diet of instant, the more we rob them of the flavor, meaning, and character that comes from waiting well. And patience, it's the key ingredient in that slow-cooked life. All right, so let's get real. Screens make everything immediate. Hungry? Uber Eats. Curious? Google it. Bored? Swipe. Want approval? Post and wait for likes. But life, especially life in close relationships, doesn't work on demand. You can't fast forward a tantrum. You can't swipe away hurt feelings. You can't next episode your way through conflict resolution or spiritual growth. And here's the kicker. When kids get used to instant results, waiting feels like suffering. But waiting isn't suffering, it's shaping.